All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today in the house is the Mackie Core Zirc spinner here with me for a review, and I'm gonna check it out because I like these fidget toys. And you guys, you know what? You should check out Fablades.com and at Fablades on Instagram. See if there's anything you like over there. This is something you really don't find that often. It comes with the old style box. This is the Mackie tool that comes with it, and you have all the information here. This is the core. It's in Zirc. It's from 2019, and you can really struggle to find this one because it's a very cool, rare spinner. So it's a Zirc Mackie core. It's beautifully machined. Would you look at that? You get all these engravings, kinetic EDC, March 2019, Mackie product on this side and nothing on the other side. So pretty clean. The cool thing about this spinner, beside the fact that it's zirconium, and I love that, is the fact that it has 1, 2, 3 parts, pretty much like the pill bug right over here. And you can see it has 1, 2, and 3 parts. So 1, 2, and 3. So I love this concept, which it's just gorgeous. Like spins, just stops, and the other one spins, or you just hold everything together, and this central part spins. So you can spin whatever you want. You can hold this, spin this, or just hold that. Everything is gonna spin. It's pretty cool. Also, like you can lay this down on the on your table, and as you can see, like you can just, let's say I'm trying like this, okay? Central part. It's not spinning. I release. Look at that. Picks up with the inertia from the outer layer. Let's call it that way. So it's pretty cool to hear on the table when I just launch this guy, the central part is gonna start catching up, accelerating, dragged by the outer layer, and produce like a very interesting noise, kind of like an airplane or something like that. Like, hear this. It's gorgeous. You see, it just starts, builds up the central part, and then catches up to the outer layer and just disappears like almost completely, and just only remains the sound of the outer layer. Let's call it that way. So pretty interesting spinner indeed. It's quite heavy because there's a lot of zirconium going on over here. This fella is gonna weigh in 114 grams in your pocket. And if you are curious of the size of this fella, it's 47 millimeters in diameter, and you get 18 millimeters in thickness. If you take this guy apart, you can just undo the button and just reveal the engraving, which attests the genuinity of this product. You can remove this retainer, and these 2 parts are gonna come off, so you can just clean and maintain your toys. Pretty straightforward, to be honest with you. So I just want to show you a couple more, just for size comparison, because I got a couple Mackie pretty cool ones. So check this out. I've got the Fusion right over here, which you don't really see. I've got the Captain also right over here, which really you don't see. And actually, let's do that in the core medal right there. Look at this Mackie spinner family in Zirc all together. This is a cool shot, stuff you don't really see that often. But still, we are here to check out this beautiful one. It's very cool looking, very heavy because it's zirconium. It's quite complex. And yeah, this is the Mackie core in Zirc. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.